हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 8 इंग्लिश 2.4 थ्री विजन्स फॉर इंडिया के डाइजेस्ट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके पहले हम चैप्टर 2.3 तक कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो उन्हें ज़रूर से देखिएगा। प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं थ्री विजन्स फॉर इंडिया के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। पहले दिया है हमें वार्मिंग अप। रीड द Preamble of the Constitution of India given in your textbook. Pick out the words that refer to the following. So first one is brotherhood, that is fraternity, freedom, liberty, earnestly and seriously, solemnly, fair and impartial treatment, equality, having supreme authority, that is sovereign, unity and oneness is integrity, a promise made to oneself is resolve. इसके बाद दिया रीडिंग स्किल्स एंड वोकेबुलरी। रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेजेस केयरफुली एंड कंप्लीट द एक्टिविटीज़। सो आंसर्स हमको यहाँ पर दिए हैं। डॉक्टर कलाम्स थ्री विजन्स फॉर इंडिया आर डेवलपमेंट, फ्रीडम, स्टैंडिंग। Next is India was conquered by the Portuguese, the Greeks, the British, the French, the Dutch and Alexander. Then pick out a sentence from the extract that conveys a general truth. If we are not free, no one will respect us. Then passage is given. Meanings are given here. You can see the meanings. Then complex factual activities are given. What helped Dr. Kalam fix the three visions for India? वीडियो पॉज करके आप आंसर्स लिख सकते हैं बच्चों। Then next है how should we handle our freedom? The same, we should protect and nurture our freedom and build on it. Then third question is find evidence from the lessons and write it in your own words. Indians respect the freedom of others. So answer is India has not tried to conquer anyone or grab their land, culture and history. We have not tried to force our way of life on anyone. This is because Indians respect the freedom of others. Then activity based on vocabulary. Write the past tense forms of the following words. First one is grab, grabbed, build, built, conquer, conquered, try, tried. Activities based on contextual grammar. Rewrite the following sentences as affirmative sentence. We have not done this to any other nation. So answer is we have refused to do this to any other nations. Second, if we are not free, no one will respect us. If we will be respected only if we are free. Then personal response. What do you think will happen if everyone in the world respected the freedom of others? So you can pause the video and write the answer. Then next is read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. Complete the tree diagram. The characteristics of a developed nations are self-confidence, self-assurance and self-reliance. Then pick out sentences from the extract that convey a general truth. So you can pause the video and write the answer. Then next is given passage number 2. You see the glossaries. These are the meanings. Then complex factual activities. Make a list of the drawbacks of us Indians. So you can pause the video and write the answer. Next, find evidence from the lessons and write it in your own words. You can pause the video and write the answer. Next is India has many amazing success stories. वीडियो पॉज कीजिए और आंसर लिखिए बच्चों। देन है एक्टिविटी बेस्ड ऑन वोकेबुलरी। पिक आउट टू कंपाउंड वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पैसेज। सेल्फ रिलायंट, सेल्फ अश्योर्ड. एक्टिविटी बेस्ड ऑन द contextual grammar. Pick out two interrogative sentences from the passage. Then personal response. Do you agree that our media is obsessed only with bad news, failures and disasters? Pause the video and write the answer. Read the following passage carefully and complete the activities. Simple factual activities are given here first. Complete the following. The prerequisite of self-respect is self-reliance. The foreign stuff we Indians are crazy about is foreign TVs, foreign shirts and foreign technology. The dream of the 14-year-old girl in Hyderabad is to live in a developed India. Pick out a sentence from the extract that conveys a general truth. Self-respect comes with self-reliance. Then passage 3. You can see the glossaries. Then complex factual activities. Make a list of the drawbacks of us Indians. You can pause the video and write the answer. Next is find evidence from the lessons and write it in your own words. We Indians are obsessed with foreign things and we want to have things like foreign TVs, foreign shirts and foreign technology. In Israel, the media have a positive outlook and self-respect. तो आप वीडियो पॉज कीजिए बच्चों, आंसर्स लिखते जाइए. Answer 3 is activity based on vocabulary. Write the antonyms. Respect, disrespect, developed, undeveloped, inspiring, uninspiring, imported, exported. Activity based on the contextual grammar. Pick out the relative pronouns from the following sentence. Then personal response. Would you too like to live in a developed India? What will be the advantages? वीडियो पॉज करके आंसर्स लिखिए बच्चों. आता है ग्रामर. से वेदर ईच ऑफ द वर्ब्स अंडरलाइन बिलो आर फाइनिट और नॉन फाइनिट. देन वीडियो पॉज करते जाइए, आंसर्स लिखते जाइए. Say whether the underlined parts of the following sentences are phrases or clause. Same thing. Pause the video and write the answers. Replace the underlined phrases with clause. Do you know his place of birth? Do you know where he was born? In his absence, the thieves looted the house. When he was absent, the thieves looted his house. I am a citizen of India. I am a citizen who belongs to India. The language study activities do as directed. Write the root words of the following words. Then second is use the following phrases in your own sentence. Then spot the error and rewrite correctly. Then find out 4 hidden words from the given words. Then write the anagrams of the following words. Then replace the underlined phrases with a clause. Pick out the non-finite verb from the following sentence. Pick out the pronouns from the sentence. Rewrite as a negative sentence. Use the following words as a noun and a verb in 2 separate sentences. Then writing skills. Complete Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's profile with information picked from the lesson. वीडियो पॉज कीजिए, आंसर लिखिए बच्चों. इसके बाद दिया है मैं एक्टिविटी. पिक आउट फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट द पोएम सॉन्ग ऑफ यूथ बाय डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. कॉपी इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक एंड राइट इट्स थीम इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. तो बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने चैप्टर 2.4 फिनिश किया. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स 2.5 द हैप्पी प्रिंस के. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.